best prices on the parts and tools we use today down below in the video descriptions today. Just changing the battery on this 2017 Nissan Rogue. Let's check it out. Alright y'all, so pretty simple little thing we got going on here. You're gonna have your negative and your positive terminal connectors. It's a 10 millimeter. You're gonna go ahead and loosen those up. I've loosened mine up. And then you have this battery hold down. It's a 10 millimeter, so you're gonna take a deep 10, loosen one side, and then take the nut all the way off this side. And I gotta loosen this side up a little bit more. And once you loosen it enough, you will be able to just kind of lift up on this and kind of swing it out of your way. And probably a good idea to go ahead and take these off. This one is stuck on, so I'm gonna take a pair of channel locks and turn and twist, and this one will probably just come off. The thing you don't want to do is, if you take this off, swing it that way, because you'll ground your battery from here to here and you might pop a fuse and it'll spark. So I'm gonna swing this, or we could just take that off, because these little hooks, they hook right, you'll see, they hook like right in these little holes, and that's what holds the battery down. So now I'll grab my channel locks. So now I just took my channel locks, I widened them open, I grabbed on this thing right here, and then just twist, and then this guy will come right out. Let's see if I can do it like this. And guys, I don't know why this one was so difficult, but what I ended up having to do is take a flathead screwdriver and just kind of get up under there. So you could do that, and then there we go, that's off. So now our battery's ready to come out. Nissan dealer gave us this nice little handle, and you got all this corrosion. You just take some brake cleaner, just kind of get all that out of the way. When you go to connect everything back, you gotta make sure this is dry, because brake fluid is very flammable, or brake cleaner is very flammable. So make sure you wipe everything down, or just let it dry. Stuff dries really quick before you attempt to put this one back on. Negative goes back on last. Again, you don't want that to spark up and light up, and you'll have a fire. Last thing, inside your connector, I'll show you my little cleaner tool. This one, it's not bad. We don't have to worry about that one. But we'll just clean the inside of the connector really good. We can kind of just spray that off, and that's not too bad. That'll work. But we do want to get the inside clean. So here's my little cleaning tool. You're just going to take this rough edge, and you're going to just with the other hand hold it and just scrape it out, and the bristles will kind of scrape the inside and it'll make it clean, so it'll have a really good connection when you put everything back on. The tool at the parts store will look like this. Again, check the video description down below. You'll see one of these on like Amazon or something. And that is it, guys. The install is the same as the removal, and that's it. Oh, I might as well show you pulling it out. So just gonna grab a hold of it, boom, set them off to the side. It does have this little protector thing. You can just kind of leave it down in there, set your new one in there. So that's it. Thanks for watching.